Welcome to your daily dose of dividend. Luke and Bailey made a request in the comments for UnitedHealth Group. Thank you, Luke and Bailey, for the suggestion. Let's take a look. With a market cap of $468 billion, UnitedHealth Group is a S&P 500 company within the healthcare plans industry. The stock price has overperformed the S&P 500 index over the last 10 years, with dividends reinvested. Let's briefly analyze some key fundamentals. Most data is based on a 5-year average. Sales growth 9.2%. Earnings growth 20.1%. Earnings estimates 14.6%. Return on capital 15.65%. Debt to free cash flow 2.31 years. Share buybacks, yes. And now for some dividend metrics. Dividend yield 1.16%. Payout ratio 30.22%. Growth rate 18.33%. Growth years 12 years. That gives UnitedHealth Group 9 out of 10 points. That's an outstanding score. You might want to take a closer look at this company for your dividend portfolio. Now, let's take a look at the current stock valuation. Based on historical multiples and future estimates from GuruFocus.com, UnitedHealth Group is modestly overvalued. At FastGraphs.com, we can see that analysts estimates a total annual return of 5.6%, compared to its normal valuation over a 10-year period. What's your thoughts on UnitedHealth Group in a dividend portfolio? Feel free to make a request in the comments regarding future videos. If you found value in this video, please leave a like, and welcome back tomorrow for another quick analysis. Have a great day.